Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Aana's English Assistant. I'm Tom.
Hi, everyone. I'm Aana. Today, we are learning English for the gym.
Yes, this is English you can use when you work out.
This is not a story. This is real teaching.
We will learn gym words and sentences.
We will repeat them many times.
And we will practice together, step by step.
Great. Let's start.
Our first keyword is gym.
Gym.
A gym is a place where people exercise.
People go to the gym to get strong and healthy.
Yes. Now listen. Let's go to the gym.
Let's go to the gym.
Say it again slowly. Let's go to the gym.
Let's go to the gym.
Good. Now another. I go to the gym every day.
I go to the gym every day.
Again. I go to the gym every day.
I go to the gym every day.
Nice. Now explain. Gym means a place for exercise.
Yes, gym is where you work out.
Now, listeners, repeat. Let's go to the gym.
Let's go to the gym.
Great. Now our next word, workout.
Workout.
A workout is the exercise you do.
When you go to the gym, you do a workout.
Yes. Now practice. I have a workout today.
I have a workout today.
Again. I have a workout today.
I have a workout today.
Good. Now another. What workout are you doing today?
What workout are you doing today?
Say it again slowly. What workout are you doing today?
What workout are you doing today?
Nice. Now explain. Workout means your exercise plan.
Perfect. Now next word, exercise.
Exercise. Exercise means moving your body to be healthy.
Running, lifting, stretching are exercises.
Yes. Now practice. This exercise is hard.
This exercise is hard.
Again. This exercise is hard.
This exercise is hard.
Good. Now another. I like this exercise.
I like this exercise.
Nice. Now explain. Exercise means body movement for health.
Excellent. Now next phrase, warm up.
Warm up. Warm up means easy exercise before hard exercise.
You warm up to prepare your body.
Yes. Now practice. Let's warm up first.
Let's warm up first.
Again. Let's warm up first.
Let's warm up first.
Good. Now another. We need to warm up.
We need to warm up.
Explain simply.
Warm up means start slowly.
Great. Now next word. Stretch.
Stretch.
Stretch means move your muscles gently.
You stretch before and after a workout.
Yes. Now practice. Let's stretch.
Let's stretch.
Again. Let's stretch.
Let's stretch.
Good. Now explain. Stretch helps your body feel better.
Excellent. Now next word, set.
Set. A set is a group of reps.
You do many reps in one set.
Yes. Now practice. Let's do one set.
Let's do one set.
Again. Let's do one set.
Let's do one set.
Good. Now next word, rep.
Rep.
Rep is short for repetition.
One rep is one movement.
Yes. Now practice. Do 10 reps.
Do 10 reps.
Again. Do 10 reps.
Do 10 reps.
Good. Now explain. Rep means one time.
Perfect. Now next word, weight.
Weight. Weight is how heavy something is.
You lift weight at the gym.
Yes. Now practice. This weight is heavy.
This weight is heavy.
Again. This weight is heavy.
This weight is heavy.
Good. Now explain. Weight is something you lift.
Excellent. Now next word, rest.
Rest. Rest means stop for a short time.
You rest between sets.
Yes. Now practice. Take a short rest.
Take a short rest.
Again. Take a short rest.
Take a short rest.
Good. Now explain. Rest means relax for a moment.
Great. Now next word, strong.
Strong. Strong means your body has power.
Exercise helps you get strong.
Yes. Now practice. I feel strong.
I feel strong.
Again. I feel strong.
I feel strong.
Good. Now next word, tired.
tired.
Tired means you need rest.
You feel tired after exercise.
Yes, now practice. I feel tired.
I feel tired.
Again, I feel tired.
I feel tired.
Good. Now explain. Tired means your body needs rest.
Excellent. Now encouragement. You're doing great.
You're doing great.
You're doing great.
Again, you're doing great.
You're doing great.
Explain simply. You're doing great means good job.
Perfect. Now let's put everything together.
Yes, let's start the workout.
Aana, let's go to the gym.
Yes, let's go to the gym.
What workout are you doing today?
I'm doing a leg workout today.
Nice. Let's warm up first.
Yes, let's warm up first.
Let's stretch.
Good. Now first exercise.
This exercise is hard.
It's okay. Do 10 reps.
Okay, I will do 10 reps.
Good. Now that is one set.
That is one set.
Let's do one more set.
Okay, let's do one more set.
You're doing great.
Thank you. I feel strong, but a little tired.
That's normal. Take a short rest.
Okay, I will take a short rest.
How do you feel now?
I feel better. Let's continue.
Great. Pick up the weight.
This weight is heavy.
Yes, but you can do it.
I will try.
Do 10 reps.
Okay, 1 rep, 2 reps, 3 reps.
Good. You're doing great.
Thank you. I feel tired now.
That means you worked hard.
Yes, exercise makes me tired but strong.
Exactly. Now let's review.
Yes, review time.
Gym.
Gym is a place to exercise.
Workout.
Workout is your exercise plan.
Exercise.
Exercise is body movement.
Warm up.
Warm up means start slowly.
Stretch.
Stretch means gentle movement.
Set.
Set is a group of reps.
Rep.
Rep is one movement.
Weight.
Weight is something you lift.
Rest.
Rest means relax for a short time.
Strong.
Strong means full of power.
Tired.
Tired means you need rest.
No sentence review.
Okay,
Let's go to the gym.
let's go to the gym.
What workout are you doing today?
What workout are you doing today?
Let's warm up first.
Let's warm up first.
Do 10 reps.
Do 10 reps.
Take a short rest.
Take a short rest.
This exercise is hard.
This exercise is hard.
I feel tired.
I feel tired.
You're doing great.
You're doing great.
Let's do one more set.
Let's do one more set.
Excellent work.
Now, listeners, please repeat these sentences out loud.
Practice them when you work out.
Use English at the gym.
English learning can be active and fun.
Thank you for learning with us.
This is Aana's English assistant.
See you next time.
Bye everyone. Stay strong and keep learning.